When it comes to your website, engagement is everything. You might have a beautiful design, but if visitors aren't engaging, you're missing out. Today, we'll explore the top analytics metrics you need to monitor to boost visitor engagement. First, you need to have an analytics tool installed. Google Analytics is a popular choice, but our preference is Fathom Analytics for a privacy-first approach. Once installed, it's important to track data over a longer period, several months, to get meaningful insights. One key metric is average time on site. This tells you how long visitors are spending on your site. A low time on site suggests your content may not be engaging enough. Consider adding more relevant content, internal links, and clear call to actions to improve this. Next, track the average time on page to see how specific pages perform. For instance, if your blog posts are getting less than a minute of engagement, but they take 4 minutes to read, it's a sign you need to make them more engaging or relevant. Bounce rate is another key indicator. It tracks the percentage of users who leave after viewing only one page. A high bounce rate suggests your visitors aren't exploring other parts of your site. Improving internal links or adding more compelling calls to action can help keep visitors engaged across multiple pages. Event tracking or conversion rate helps you monitor user actions like submitting forms, completing purchases, or signing up for newsletters. This metric shows whether actions are converting visitors into customers or leads. Finally, understanding your traffic sources is crucial. Whether traffic comes from organic searches, social media, or other sources, tracking how each source behaves on your site helps you make informed decisions.